Hi, my name is Keith Fitzpatrick. This is Hip Hop Moves for Kids, and this is the knee raise. So with this step, it's really, really super simple. All you're going to do is just raise your knees up. Just come up, boom. This one, start your left foot, bring it up. Then do your right one twice. Here and here. Left, right, left, and left. Then your right, left, right, right. And that's really it. You just want to keep your arms. Maybe you can go down to your sides like that. Your left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. That's all you do. But you want to make sure that you really bounce. You don't want to just do this because it's like you're marching in place. And that's totally different. That looks kind of crazy unless you're told to march in place. But you're here. 2, 2, 2, boom, 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 7 and 8. And that's your knee raise.